Hello and welcome to this SPSS one-on-one series by Ori Analytics. Whether you're a student, a researcher, a business analyst, or someone who's just curious about SPSS, this series is designed to simplify SPSS for you. If you are a complete beginner, you are going to get a solid foundation in SPSS. And if you have ever used SPSS, I guarantee you're going to get very many tricks and skills that will make your analysis even more efficient. Today, I walk you through the SPSS interface so that you get familiar with how the software works. So let's dive in. When you open SPSS, the first thing you'll see is the welcome dialog box, which we are not interested in for now, so just close it. Then next you'll see the SPSS data editor window. This SPSS data editor window is divided into two parts. When you look at the bottom left corner of your computer, you will see the two tabs. We have the data view tab and the variable view tab. When you click on data view, basically you will see an Excel spreadsheet-like appearance with columns specifying the variables in your study, whereas the rows are for each entry or observations for your study. Now we turn to the variable view. In the variable view, this is where you enter your variables and you describe the different characteristics of that variable, like the type, labels, values. At the top here, we have the different menus in SPSS, which have different functions, like the file, edit, the view, data, transform, and most importantly, the analyze button here, where all the analysis in SPSS takes place. We also have a special menu for graphs, where you can plot all of the graphs in SPSS and many more. Another important window in SPSS that you need to know is called the output window. Simply call it the answer sheet for SPSS. Anything that you do here, whether in the variable view or the data view, it is in the output window where you can view your actions. How to see it? Simply go to your taskbar. If I go to my taskbar here, I will see that there are two windows open. There is one called Untitled, that's the data editor window, which we've just been discussing, and then the output window, this one here, which is where all your results of analysis are displayed. If you can't see your output window, simply go to File, New, and then say New Output. You should be able now to see a new output window. So today we have looked at the two main windows of SPSS, the output window, which is here displayed. If I minimize it, we have also looked at the other second one, which is called the data editor window, divided into the data editor view, where you enter your data, and the variable view, where you specify the variables of your study. So next we are going to look at how do we enter data manually into SPSS and how do we define the variables, then save our data set that you can share with another person. Consider liking the video and subscribing so that you do not miss out any of our episodes. See you in the next video.